Welcome back, and welcome to my humble abode, a 1984 Royal Classic RV, better yet known as a motorhome, which was purchased the beginning of September 2018 with the mission of refurbishing it from the ground up. But certain things happen, like one, winter. I'm in Canada. What should I have expected? But that said, I'm actually going to be the first person to rip the crap out of it and redo it my way. I'm keeping the same floor design, all the cabinets going back to where they're supposed to, but I'm gonna refurbish them, probably paint them, not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but as I go along, ideas gonna pop up, and the budget is gonna be as small as possible. So recycled materials. The only thing I won't compromise on is the shell of it, which would be all new, because as you see, water damage everywhere. So I'm gonna rip everything out and rebuild the shell as new as possible. There's one or two not so strong sections, but it's been like this since 1985, which is a few years to say the least, and it held up really solid. I got a tow truck to tow it to this location here right now, and basically that drive took roughly about 3.5 to 4 hours, and it held up all the way. Nothing fell apart. So yeah, that's my RV, and that's the life, and that's a journey I'm gonna take you on